Hi, good morning, friend. Welcome to my channel, Emerging School of Economics and Commerce. Today I am teaching about microeconomics and microeconomics. Economics basically divided into two categories, microeconomics and microeconomics. Today we study about microeconomics versus macroeconomics. Micro is the Greek word micros mean small, while macro derived from the Greek word macros mean large. Now we start studying what is the difference between microeconomics and microeconomics. Microeconomics examine small economic unit, the component of the economy. For example, individuals, households, farms, industries. While macroeconomics looks at aggregates. Aggregates mean total. For example, national output, overall price level, and aggregate unemployment. Macroeconomics versus microeconomics. Macroeconomics focus on how decisions are made by individual and the firms and the consequence of those decisions. For example, how much it would cost for a university or a college to offer a new course, the cost of the instructor's salary, the classroom facility, the class material, and so on. Having determined the cost, the school can then decide it whether or not to offer the course by weighing the cost and the benefit. Microeconomics examine the aggregate behavior of the economy. That is, how the action of all the individual and the firms in the economy interact to produce a particular level of economic performance as a whole. For example, overall level of prices in the economy, how high and low, how low they are relative to price last year, rather than the price of a particular good or service. We have some difference between microeconomics and microeconomics. In microeconomics, we study individual market, but in microeconomics, we study the economy as a whole. In microeconomics, study the effect on price of goods and services. In macroeconomics, study economic growth, national income, inflation, GDP, etc. In microeconomics, concerned with individual labor markets and consumer behavior, but in microeconomics, concerned with natural, territorial, and world economics. In microeconomics, major factors include demand and supply, factor pricing, production, consumption, etc. But under macroeconomics, we study major factors include national income, distribution, monetary policy, employment, general price level, productive capacity of economy, etc. Dear student, we have some example about micro and microeconomics. At production level, we study in microeconomics how many burger does McDonald produce. But in microeconomics, we study how many goods does the India produce each year. Similarly, at price level, in microeconomics, what is the price of the McDonald burger? But in macro level, what is the price of all consumer goods in the economy? When we discuss about income, in microeconomics, what are the wages of the worker at McDonald's? In macroeconomics, what are the total wages and salaries of workers in the economy? At employment level, in microeconomics, we study how many workers are employed at McDonald's. But at macro level, we study what are the total number of workers in the economy. Dear student, hopefully you understand microeconomics and microeconomics. Keep watching my channel. We will meet you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.